Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I'm the maths mentor, and today's our session is about DCs and DRs. DCs, direct cosines and direct ratios. So in mathematics 1B, this chapter carries 7 mark question. They will ask one 7 mark question like find the angle between the lines whose DCs are related by L plus M plus N equal to 0 and L square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. These are the type of questions. They are the most important sums which carries 7 marks. Here they have given two lines. Coming to line 1, L plus M plus N equal to 0. What you do? Put L as it is, plus M you transpose, you will get minus M, and plus N you transpose, you will get minus N. Right? So we got L equal to, if I take minus as common, what I will get? I will get M plus N. Right? So the value of L is what? Minus of M plus N. Okay? Now coming to second equation is L square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. Right? Now what you do, in the place of L, see children, here second equation is L square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. In the place of L, what you do, you substitute minus of M plus N. Right? In the place of L, let me write minus of M plus N whole square plus, here we have M square minus N square, that is equal to 0. Right? Now, which is in the form of A plus P whole square. If the power is square, if it is negative also, result ఏమైతుంది? Positive only, right? So, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. That is A square plus B square plus 2AB plus M square minus N square, which is equal to 0. Right? So minus N square plus N square gets cancelled. So M square, here M square we have, here M square we have. M square plus M square, 2M square, right? 2M square plus here we have 2MN, that is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, if you observe here carefully, here we have 2M, here also we have 2M. Let me take 2M as common. As it is M square, I mean M into M, we have one more M plus 2M into N, 2MN, that is equal to 0. I mean one is 2M equal to 0 and the other one is M plus N equal to 0. Here 2 is multiplying, let me transpose, so M equal to 0 by 2. If it is 0 by 2, that is equal to 0 only. Now M, this plus N you transpose, you will get minus N. So one is M equal to 0 and the second one is M equal to minus 1. These are, we have two cases here. So what is the case 1? Case 1, if M equal to 0. What is your case? If M equal to 0. Now let us find L value. Yes children, L equal to, as M value is 0 minus N. We are substituting in place of M 0 children. L equal to minus M minus N. So L equal to minus 0 minus N, which is equal to what? Minus N. Okay, let us find the ratio of L is to M is to N. As the value of L we got how much? L value is minus N is to M value what? M value 0 is to N value what? Let it be N only. Now as N gets cancelled, so here nothing means 1 is to 0 is to 1. So these are our DRs. Right? Now coming to case 2, as we have case 2, which is m equal to minus n. What is our case 2? M equal to minus n. So as L value is minus n, so L equal to, in place of m, let me substitute minus n children. So L equal to minus into minus plus n minus n. So L value what? N minus n, that is equal to 0. Again, let us find whose DRs. L is 2, M is 2, and so L value 0 and M value minus n, and n as it is n only. So n gets cancelled. So you will get 0 is to minus 1 is to 1. So these are the two DRs. First one is minus 1 is to 0 is to 1, and the second one is 0 is to minus 1 is to 1. Actually, they are asking to find the angle between the lines. Children, we have the formula angle between the two lines, that is cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is our angle between two lines. Cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Right? So this is our A1, B1, C1, and this is our A2, B2 and C2. Right? So cos theta is equal to A1 into A2 minus 1 into 0 plus B1 into B2 0 into minus 1 plus C1 into C2 1 into 1 divided by root over A1 square minus 1 whole square B1 square 0 square C1 square 1 square into root over A2 square 0 square B2 square minus 1 whole square C2 square 1 square. Right? So minus 1 into 0 0 0 into minus 1 0 plus 1 into 1 children. So cos theta equal to 1 divided by root over 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1. So 1 plus 1 which is equal to root 2. Again here 1 square 1 and 1 square 1. Root 2 into root 2. As we know that root 2 into root 2 which is equal to 2 only. So cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta equal to cos which value 1 by 2? As we know that cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So therefore theta equal to how many degrees children? Theta equal to 60 degrees. Right? Actually what they are asking in the question? They are asking to find the angle between the two lines. So angle between the two lines is what? That is theta is 60 degrees. So this is the most important sum children which carries 7 marks, and every year they are going to ask this sum. Now coming to second problem, find the angle between the lines whose DRs are related by 3L plus M plus 5N equal to 0 and 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM equal to 0. The same method problem. Here the angle given line is 3L plus M plus 5N equal to 0. What do you do children? Put M as it is. 3L U transpose minus 3L, 5N U transpose minus N. So M equal to minus 3L minus 5N. Okay. Now coming to second equation, 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5L M equal to 0. Now what we need to do, in the place of m, we have to substitute minus 3l minus 5l. Children, are you understanding? Wherever we have m, in the place of m, we have to substitute minus 3l minus 5n into, already we have n children. This n as it is. In the place of m only, we have to write minus 3l minus 5l. Minus 2nl plus 5l. In the place of m, we have to write minus 3l minus 5l. Minus 3l minus 5l, which is equal to 0. Okay. So now, as 6 into n, 6n, let me write here 6n plus into minus minus, 6 3s are 18, n into l, nl or ln, plus into minus minus, 6 5s are 30, n into n, n square, minus 2nl as it is, again plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15, l into l square, plus into minus, minus 5 5s are 25, ln, which is equal to 0. Right? So let me write first l square, which is minus 15l square. Then let me write nl, here minus 15, minus 18, minus 2, minus 20, minus 20, minus 25, that is minus 45 ln. And then we have 30 n square, which is equal to 0. Among these three terms, let me take minus 15 as common. If I take minus 15 as common, minus 15 into l square, 15l square, minus into plus minus, 15 3s are 45, plus 15 2s are 30, which is equal to 0. As minus 15 is multiplying here, if I transpose there, l square plus 3 ln plus 2n square equal to 0 by minus 15. So 0 by something? 0 only. So we got l square plus 3 ln plus 2n square, that is equal to 0. Right? Now factorization. Here the term is 2n square and here nothing means 1. 2n square into 1, 2n square. Okay? 2n square into l square, 2n square l square. Let us multiply constant. 2 into 1, 2. What are the factors of 2? I mean 2 1 are 2. How can I write as this 3 ln? I can write as 2 ln plus 1 ln. And this l square as it is. And this 2n square as it is. Which is equal to 0. From these two terms, if I take L as common, I have one more L here, L into 2n, 2 ln. Plus, now from these two terms, if I take n as common, again I will get L plus 2n, which is equal to 0. Now here we have L plus 2n, here also we have L plus 2n. Let me take L plus 2n as common. I will get L plus n, that is equal to 0. Now, one term is L plus 2n equal to 0 and the other term is L plus n equal to 0. Now plus 2n, if you transpose, you will get minus 2n. Again here plus n, if you transpose, you will get minus n. So we got two L values, L equal to minus 2n and other one is L equal to minus n. Those are the two cases. Okay. So case 1, L equal to minus 2n. Okay. Now let us find m value. M equal to minus 3 into, in the place of L, minus 2n minus 5n. Minus into minus plus, 3 2 just 6n minus 5n. So m equal to 6n minus 5n, which is equal to n. So we got m value n. Okay. Now let us find whose DRs. L is 2, m is 2, n. L value minus 2n and m value is n and n value as it is. 2 2 2 gets cancelled. We got minus 2 is 2, 1 is to 1, and these are our A1, D1, C1, right? So these are the first DRs of first line. The DRs of first lines are -2 is to 1 is to 1. Now let us find DRs of second line, that is case 2, that is L equal to minus n. Let us find the value of m, minus 3 into minus n and minus 5n. So m equal to minus into minus plus 3n minus 5n. So m equal to 3n minus 5n, which is equal to minus 2n. So as we got m value minus 2n. So let us find whose DRs. L is to, m is to, n. L value minus n, m value minus 2n is to n. N gets cancelled. Minus 1 is to, minus 2 is to 1. Right? So what are the DRs of second line? The DRs of second line are minus 1, minus 2 and 1. Actually they are asking to find the angle between the lines. So what is the angle between two lines formula, children? That is cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 modulo divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Right? So cos theta equal to, this is our A2, B2, C2. Children, A1, A2. I mean minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to 2. Again plus B1 into B2. 1 into minus 2. That is minus 2 plus C1 into C2. 1 into 1, 1 divided by root over. See, let us find A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. See children, A1 square means minus 2 whole square plus B1 square means 1 square plus C1 square means 1 square into A2 square minus 1 whole square minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Right? So cos theta equal to 1 by, as 2 square 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, root 6 into root 6, because 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. So cos theta equal to 1 by root 6 into root 6, that is equal to 6. So therefore theta equal to what? If I transpose cos towards right hand side, it will become cos inverse of 1 by 6. So children, therefore what is the angle between the two lines? The angle between the two lines is theta equal to cos inverse 1 by 6. Okay, this is our second problem, which is the most important problem, angle between the two lines. Now coming to third question, they are asking only find the direct cosines of two lines which are connected by the relation L minus 5m plus 3n equal to 0, and the second one is 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square equal to 0. So children, what you do, L you put as it is, minus 5m if you transpose, this will become plus 5m, plus 3n if you transpose, it will become minus 3n. So L equal to 5m minus 3n. Okay, now what we have to do, in the place of L we have to substitute in second equation 7 into, in the place of L 5m minus 3n whole square plus 5m square as it is and 3n square as it is, which is equal to 0. So 7 into a minus b whole square, right? That is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 5m square as it is minus 3n square as it is, which is equal to 0. Now 7 into 5m whole square, I mean 5 square 25 then m square. 3 square 9 n square. 2 5 is 10, 10 3 is 30. 30 mn plus 5m square minus 3n square, that is equal to 0. So 7 into 25, 25 7 ja 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3 17. 175 m square plus 7 9 ja 63 n square minus 7 3 ja 230 mn plus 5 m square minus 3 n square, that is equal to 0. Right? Now here we have 175 m square and here we have 5 m square. 175 plus 5 180. 63 minus 3 60 minus 210 mn equal to 0. Okay children, first let us write 210 mn in between. So first let us write minus 210 mn and then 63 minus 3 60 n square equal to 0. Okay, now from these three terms what we will do, let us take 30 as common. 36 180, 37 210, 32 60, which is equal to 0. As 30 is multiplying here, if you transpose towards right hand side, it will become 0 by 30, it will become 0 only. So we have 6m square minus 7mn plus 2n square equal to 0. So let us find the factors. Now splitting the middle term, 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12. So I can write as 3 into 4. As we have minus 7mn, minus 3, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 3 4 are 12. If I add minus 3 and minus 4, again I will get minus 7m. So 6m square minus 3mn minus 4mn plus 2n square equal to 0. From these two terms, if I take 3m as common, 3m into 2m minus 3m we took already common minus n. And from these two terms, I can take minus 2n as common. 2 2s are 4, that is 2m minus n, that is equal to 0. Now from these two terms I can take 2m minus n as common. Again I will get 3m minus 2n, which is equal to 0. So one is 2m minus n equal to 0 and the other one is 3m minus 2n equal to 0. So 2m equal to, if I transpose minus n towards right hand side, plus n. So m equal to n by 2. Here as well as 3m equal to 2n. So m equal to 2 by 3 into n. So we got two cases. Case 1, m equal to n by 2. So L value 5 into, in place of n by 2 minus 3n. I can write as 5n by 2 minus 3n, nothing in the sense 1. So L equal to LCM is 2, which is 5n minus 2 3 the 6n. So 5n minus 6n, that is equal to minus n by 2. So let us find ds of first line. L is to m is to n. L value minus n by 2, m value n by 2 and n value is n only, nothing means 1. N gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 1. Okay, let us multiply into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Minus 1 is to 1 is to 1 into 2 2. So what are the ds? ds of first line are minus 1 is to 1 is to 2. Okay, actually they are asking to find DCs. So let us find DCs of first line, that is equal to, here minus 1 by call it as A1, B1, C1. So DC of first line is A1 by, so here the formula is A1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, comma B1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, comma C1 by 2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So this is our formula to find the DCs. A1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, comma B1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, comma C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Okay, let us find first of all A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. A1 means minus 1 whole square, B1 means 1 whole square, C1 means 2 whole square. Okay, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, which is equal to how much we are getting? 6, right? I mean this value is 6, children. Okay, each and every time that value is same, so I can write as minus 1 by root 6, comma 1 by root 6, comma 2 by root 6. Okay, children. So what are the DCs of first line? So DCs of first line are minus 1 by root 6, comma 1 by root 6, comma 2 by root 6. What is the formula to find the DCs? A1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, A2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C2 square, and C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, right? Now let us find the case 2. Case 2 as m equal to 2 by 3n. Okay, children. So let us find now L value 5 into 2 by 3 into n, that is 2n by 3 minus 3n. So L equal to 5 2 are 10n by 3 minus 3n. Nothing in the sense 1. So L equal to LCM 3, 1 into 10n, 10n, minus 3 3s are 9n. So 10n minus 9n, that is equal to 1n. So L equal to n by 3. Okay, let us find whose DS L is 2, M is 2, and L is n by 3, M is 2n by 3, and as it is n only. Nothing in the sense 1. N cancel. 1 by 3 is 2, 2 by 3 is 2, 1 by 1. Let us multiply into 3, into 3, into 3. 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 3. Okay. Now let us find DCs of second line. Okay, again A1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. I can write as 1 by root over 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14. I mean 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, comma 3 by root 14. So actually they are asking to find DS of first line and DCs of second line. Right? Children, these are the most important questions which are going to ask in public examination IPE paper. Okay, so don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it, share it with your friends. Thank you.